What's up, everybody? It's the Welding Machine guy. Alright guys, it's Welding Machine. We got a quick update. Nothing special, nothing spectacular. We got a new project coming up, and I will be recording this project, and I'm over to keep my batteries and get me a new SD card on deck. Here's the steel for this project. That's my angle for my building, which is back there. I got my 4x3 tube, and then I got this metal for a trailer. That's what it looks like. It's 7,000 pound axle. Here's the front. I got to do a drop underneath the tube. So I got a lot of stuff going on. Tongue for the trailer, and drop the plate on there. Put more cross bars in there, and make the tongue. And then get some lights for it, and then that'll be done. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. This is like a little short video. Keep you guys updated. Adios. What's up, guys? So we didn't get the forklift moved because we ran out of propane, and none of the places are open right now to get it filled up. But we went to Harbor Freight, picked up a new accessory. This is for like a miter saw. It's like a little cheap stand for $100. I caught it on sale. So I think max weight it holds is 500 pounds or something like that. It's a great little tool. I'm using it to weld on right now, as you can tell with the titanium welder. It's a great little stand. I'll put my chop saw and band saw probably on there. So there's a couple things that I might end up doing. Alright, so this is the trailer. This is the welding rig trailer. So we got it made out of some 3-inch channel for the hitch receiver. For those, we're going to cut some 45s. We're going to run it back a little further with some extra pieces I got right there. Ah, you just spilled your water. Well, this trailer's made completely out of old material, and I got to cut those pieces off right there and on that side. But yeah, this is what we got. This is what we got. It's just a 10-foot trailer. We're gonna put the toolbox. That is gonna be like scrap / trash or some crap. I don't know yet for sure what we're gonna do. But this is gonna be the new welding rig trailer. We got the plate and everything. But yeah, we've been using titanium MIG 170. That's what it looks like. Y'all stay tuned. It's been the Welding Machine. You guys have a great day. I'm about to go ahead and pack it up and call it a day. Peace. What's up, everybody? It's the Welding Machine, guys. We got the forklift to the backyard. You can tell the gravel mark to where the guy got his truck back here. So he packed it down for me. Thank you. Might need to come back out and pack some more. Got another guy. Here's the forklift. Bought the manual last night for 30 bucks for this forklift. I got the forks down. So, got it on the pad. It's good, it's golden. You can see where he left his little marks for his tires. We're gonna see if we can't crank it up again. No, we're not. I don't have the key. My dog's barking. He's kind of mad at me. But yeah, guys, so we got the forklift back here. Got it locked. But yeah. Oh. Alright, so if you got, oh, whew, almost missed my step. Alright, so if you guys see, let's see if we can't get further away. Sorry, see the driveway, see the pad? From here to the house, asphalt, the whole driveway. And then probably do the rest of the driveway gravel up at the top. So we'll probably go, or I want to see how much they'll charge me to do the whole thing from here to up there to the road and the asphalt. I was gonna do concrete, but you know, concrete's gonna probably be a little bit more expensive. Or if I do like a 20 by 20, and then the rest asphalt or something, I don't know. But we're gonna probably tackle this more welding on this welding rig trailer, which is shining right now. Looks halfway decent, you know, guys. If you can, any of you guys can accomplish anything, as long as you put your mind to it. So here's the welding rig. We're gonna put 1/8" plate, which we got up in the front. We're gonna move to the front real quick. Got our welding rig trailer. Gonna probably put the axles under. So the plate we got here is 1/4 inch plate. So this is 1/4 inch plate right here. Then to drop this down to get to the 1/8 inch plate, which is right here. So we're gonna need 2 of these. Here's the 1/8 inch plate. It's like really thin. Probably get some more, get a sign made or something by another local welder. So I mean, that's what we're gonna use for that, for the top. Nothing heavy. I mean, it's just 1/8 inch plate, you know. And yeah, so now we're gonna get some welding done. Y'all stay tuned.